Well, hello. There is a huge issue as of today going around. And let me ask you in this scenario, what would you do? Say you go to a steakhouse and you order a T-bone steak dinner and you pay top dollar because T-bone steaks do cost a lot of money. And then when you order that T-bone steak, the waiter comes out and delivers you your order, and it's a Salisbury steak. How would that make you feel? If it was me, I would be mad. I would complain and say, this is not right. This is what I ordered, and try to get that situation, dealt with. And what I'm going at with this story is there are vendors nowadays that are saying they have 100% pure red wiggler worms, and the customer is not getting 100% pure red wiggler worms. It is completely something different with the 100% pure regular worms. If you're selling like mixed worms, that's fine. Put it in your clause, let the fine print so people can read it. But if you are saying that is 100% pure red wiggler worms, and the customer is not getting what they are asking and buying for, then that is wrong. I would personally never do business ever with you again. Word of mouth is a great resource tool, and that will definitely affect how people look at you in the upcoming years, so that you have a potential of your business to go out of business. So the best thing for you to do is to do the right thing. If I'm paying you top dollars to buy 100% pure red wiggler worms, then give me my pure red wiggler worms, because that's what I'm paying for. So in the comments box below, what is your thoughts and feedback? How would you deal with the situation if it was you that purchased worms from a certain vendor? Now, if you're looking for a great company to purchase 100% pure red wiggler worms, and you will get that T-bone steak of quality, then check out this video right here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.